Introducing W.S. Tyler's Rotap E-Test Sieve Shaker. W.S. Tyler's Rotap E is the newest model in the line of premium Rotap test sieve shakers. It generates electromagnetic power to test sieves and sample materials in a three-dimensional motion. This action provides very precise sieving results for materials as small as 20 microns. Units are available for 8-inch, 12-inch, and 18-inch diameter test sieves. A wet test kit option is also available. The Rotap E benchtop design provides a small footprint for optimal laboratory use. The units are compact and require little or no maintenance. Operating sound has been significantly reduced from traditional Rotap models. Rotap E combines technology that recognizes the weights of sample materials and provides a controlled amplitude power, resulting in extremely accurate and consistent test results. The Rotap E also features the exclusive W.S. Tyler twin nut clamping system, a quick and convenient method to secure the test sieve stack. The Rotap E features a control panel with a digital timer and settings for coarse and fine material samples. The W.S. Tyler Rotap E. New sieving technology for today's demanding quality control programs. W.S. Tyler's sieving products are available from authorized professional distribution partners worldwide. Visit our website or contact customer service for more information.